On June 7, 2025, law enforcement officers in Flagler County responded to reports claiming that 65-year-old Julia Keltoff had pursued a teenage boy riding an e-bike by driving her SUV onto the sidewalk.
I am traumatized from that, though.
What Julia didn't realize, however, was that the entire incident had been captured on camera.
I was just driving. She was driving right behind me, and we saw a Subaru going on the walk path, which was already raising some flags with like. Seemed like a teenager driving a motorized bike behind him. I just didn't like the situation, so I followed them at basically the same pace. They were going about 30 miles an hour or so.
Up on the sidewalk?
Yeah, I was following on the road. They were on the sidewalk.
Yeah.
Like, they had turned right here. I had turned in front of her so she couldn't chase him anymore. Regardless of the situation, it's just right on my end. Child, I believe that went that way. We exchanged some words.
You said you had video?
Yeah, she has video on her phone.
I know you sent it to us, but I didn't have time to look at it yet, so please pull it up.
Allegedly, the chase was 3 minutes long, which caused 2 other drivers to notice the car chasing the boy and his cry for help.
Did it look like a dirt bike or like an e-bike?
It looks like a motorized bicycle.
Like one of like an e-bike type? Did you hear it or you just...
No, it was definitely an e-bike. I didn't hear any motorized.
No, because that didn't look like it was going to end well.
No, I don't like that.
She's fed up.
Started yelling at her.
I think we got a tag for it. We're going to go try knocking on the door. Find out, but I appreciate you guys doing that. Thank you. I guess, stay home safe. Appreciate you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Here's what happened.
Okay.
They don't know what's going on with their phones. They act like they know what happened.
Okay.
I live right there. I'm 65 years old. I've had both of my hips replaced.
Okay.
I also have a dog. I was throwing the ball up, the squeaky toy for him. He wasn't in the street. This boy comes down on the sidewalk, 35 miles an hour. I'm not kidding you.
Okay.
2 nights ago, or in the evening, I'm on the street that goes along there. He comes right at me. And I was like, you have to slow down when people are here. He thought that was funny, so they go more. And so then tonight, so I get in my car to try to catch him because I thought he lived in the neighborhood. I wanted to either see where he lived, to talk to his mother nicely, or I wanted to talk to him nicely because I thought he was my neighbor. No, he's doing that. Guess what? He doesn't even live in here. So then I go after him to try to find him because I know you're never going to find him. And they're all like, you're acting recklessly. I was like, you don't even know what happened. First of all, if he hits me with 2 replaced hips and I can't walk anymore, because believe me, if I go down, I'm not walking anymore. That's going to be bad enough. If he hits my dog, I don't know if you have a dog, but that's my child.
Okay.
And I would have called you, actually, and then I went and got in the W's. I couldn't get out of the W's. Guess what? Because my GPS won't work. Come on, my phone's, do you want to come in the house?
No.
My phone is in the house. I couldn't even use my GPS to get out. But let's put it this way. He could have disabled me for the rest of my life. And he's probably, what, 17? He would have gone home the rest of his life, living a great life. And I'd have been in a wheelchair, or he would have hit my dog. And then I would have found him and it would have gotten ugly.
Okay. What's your name?
Julia.
Julia? Okay. So I got video of you driving up on the sidewalk recklessly. You would have hit that kid on a bike and killed him. You're going to jail for manslaughter. You
I'm not going
understand?
to hit him and kill him.
You're driving recklessly on a sidewalk where people walk their dogs and ride their bikes. That video of you doing almost 30 miles an hour up that sidewalk
Because I was
with your
trying
vehicle.
to catch him.
Ma'am,
I'm listening. I'm listening.
because you're this close to going to jail.
I'm listening.
You understand? I understand you're concerned about kids driving. You call us, we do our best to find them, right? You think 65 years old, right? You think it's a smart idea to be driving up on a sidewalk doing 30 miles an hour, chasing a kid on a bike? Answer the question.
I don't consider that a sidewalk.
What do you consider it?
There's cars on there all the time.
They're parked up on the grass so they can walk on the sidewalk.
All right,
You
I
are
will
doing, I
admit
got you
that
for at least
wasn't
3
smart.
minutes
I will admit
up
that
on the
wasn't-
sidewalk driving recklessly over 30 miles an hour from what my reporting party told
And
me.
you can see he was going faster than
Do
me.
you still think you're correct? I tell you, do it again, you are going to jail. We're
I
taking your
will
car.
never do it again.
Do you understand what
I
your
do
actions?
I do understand. I was very emotional.
Okay, so maybe you think you collect yourself as a 65-year-old woman about what you were doing. You would hit anybody else on that sidewalk besides this kid if you
I
even
could
caught the
see
kid?
there was no. I'm not disagreeing with you, but I
You're
could see there
wrong
was
for
nobody
trying
else.
to make this sound correct on your end.
Okay.
You're 100%
all right,
wrong.
I won't. I'll stop.
All right, you see somebody that you call us. You don't take it into your own hands.
All right, you're right.
God forbid you hit somebody. I promise you I'll do everything in my power to make sure you go to jail.
You're right.
Take your car, and what else I could do for you.
All right.
I find out you're doing it again, chasing this kid, even on the road.
Oh God, no. This was
But it was a great idea to follow him on the sidewalk and chase him.
no. Like I said, it was
I
like
hear what you said.
I know.
You're not. I want you to listen.
I'm listening.
This kid does it again. You chase him in your car again, we'll get you for aggravated assault.
Of course, I'm not going to.
But you did it.
I know.
And you were willing to chase this kid as far as it could go until this other car, this person that called us, stopped you. They blocked you at the sidewalk, correct?
Yeah.
Where does this make sense to you?
Okay, it doesn't.
Do you live alone?
Yes.
We're taking your car. You're not getting it back. You're losing your license. You're not driving if you get
Now?
another car. No. I find out you do this again. You're this close to doing it.
Of course not.
You're saying of course not, but look at your actions that just happened.
No, but
100%, 110%.
I'm
You were
not
going to jail if you hit this kid.
I'm not disagreeing with you.
So I'm trying to understand where you thought this was the right thing to do. Tell me
can't-
your emotions took over.
I'm not-
So should I put you in for a reevaluation of your
I'm
driver's
not
license
trying
now?
to- I'm not trying to disagree with you.
You're trying to make what you did sound correct. Like you're focused on this one kid riding a bike.
You can
don't
lay
see
into me, I
you
deserve
don't
it.
see anyone else on the sidewalk. Somebody would call me and said, "You almost hit them with their car. I'm taking you to jail." If this kid calls us back after he goes home and talks to his parents, I know where you're at. We're probably taking you to jail. It's aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Your car's considered a deadly weapon.
Touch him.
Doesn't matter. Aggravated assault. Assault is not a physical contact. It's the threat of
What
contact.
about, okay,
'Cause I promise you, if they call us back, we're coming back, knocking on your door, and taking you to jail. I recommend you see this kid again, because this is what kids do. They found out this ticks you off. They're going to come back. You do not interact with this kid. You do not get in your car and chase
I don't want to be in
them.
trouble with the law. I don't want to be in trouble with
Well,
the
you're on
police.
our radar now, because what you did was stupid, reckless.
Okay. I'm not going to disagree with you. I'm not disagreeing with you. I'm not trying to argue with you.
Should I take you to jail now?
No,
Why not?
I'm agreeing with you. Because it's not going to happen again. It was a stupid thing. I agree. I'm not arguing with you. I'm not trying to say I was right.
Expect if I come back to your house, there's consequences that you're going to be paying. So all it's going to take is for this kid to go home and say, there was a car following me. I already know who you are. I know where you live. I know what car you're driving. And I have you on video doing all this. That's plenty of evidence for a judge to say, yeah, we're taking her car, we're taking her license, and she's spending time in jail. Who's going to take care of your dog now?
I'm not disagreeing with you.
I'm just putting all
I know.
the whole picture together
And
for
I'm
you.
soaking it in, and I'm not disagreeing with you, and I'm not arguing with you. And like I said, I wasn't trying to say, I wasn't trying to excuse myself. I wasn't trying to say it was right. I was explaining stupidly where I was coming from.
I suggest when you get emotional like this next time, you stop what you're doing and think about what you're about to do.
You're right.
Do you have any questions for me?
Are you going to find that boy?
I have no idea where he went. I have no information on him other than it was a juvenile on an e-bike.
Because he said he goes through here too. I mean,
Okay.
I'm not excusing what I did. I'm just kind of compartmentalizing now. Yes, I soaked up everything you said, and I'm not trying to minimalize. I'm just going over this subject now. I would like that situation remedied too. Please, if you can.
You have to call us, give us the best description as possible, not follow them, get a direction of travel.
I'm not going
and you
listen,
let us try to
I know I'm
find
in
them.
enough trouble, and now I don't want any more trouble.
You know, maybe he does live in the neighborhood and he didn't want to go home because he didn't want you following him. He doesn't know what your intentions are. He doesn't know what you're about to do. So yeah, he's not going to stop. He's going to run away from you.
I don't think he went away from me in here because he was afraid of me. He
I
didn't wanna get in
100% believe he
trouble
was
for what
afraid
he
of
was
you.
doing.
A 4,000 pound vehicle is now chasing him. What do you think was going through his head?
Well, the first time I came this way, he was coming up, because I came around this way, and I was like, stop, I want to talk to you. He was like,
Yeah, no, he's not going to stop.
because he didn't want to be in trouble. Now, after that, who knows? I don't believe he's scared of me. I do not believe that. I think he's being
Well, we don't know until he goes home and
Well,
tells
you're
his
right.
parents.
well, but I hear you.
I recommend you go back inside
Okay.
unless you have any other questions for me. All right, think about what you're doing next time.
Okay.
I'm not even gonna say it again. I told you enough. Okay. Think about everything you just did too.
Okay.
All right.
The next day, the victim's parents contacted the police to report the incident. This led deputies to visit their home in order to hear their version of events.
So what's going on today?
I don't know if you've seen the videos over the incident that's happened Saturday. Come on, dude. Man. She's chasing him on the sidewalk.
She tried to hit me at one point.
There's no more. He's just refocusing on Now,
You didn't count there's nothing of her trying to hit you?
No, unfortunately, but the witness that called them that
Did he say that he tried, or the witness or whatever?
I don't.
I can check if not.
Yeah.
So who did you guys speak to? Was it yesterday?
yeah, B. Louse.
Losi?
Losi.
Okay, what did he say?
He said nothing. He said nothing can be done.
He called his supervisor and he said it would be pushing it even if they like charge her with assault or anything.
Yeah, so for something like criminal like that, there has to be intent. And I looked, they already interviewed her, and she said she was just trying to get your attention.
But here's the problem. She put my child in danger.
I understand that.
So, whatever it is, I don't care if we're stretching it to the max. I'm pressing charges.
Okay. Let me,
I mean, you got child endangerment, attempt to kidnap, because I don't know her intent.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you can't attempt to kidnap, but...
Dude, I got video of someone chasing on the sidewalk at 20 minutes.
I understand. It's definitely something concerning. Let me call my supervisor and see what he has to say about it. Is that on the Prepared Live, the video? Okay, perfect. All right, just give me 1 second.
And I need a report, because if this doesn't go anywhere, I'm legaling up and I'm going balls to the wall.
Okay.
Against everybody.
Mm-hmm.
So I want charges pressed. I want a police report done.
Okay.
With her info, her license, everything.
All right, just give me 1 second, sir. I'm going to do all the paperwork like I normally would. I'm going to do the case report, and then it's going to go up to detectives, and then they'll take it from there.
Okay.
Like I said, this is all going up the chain of command, so they're all aware of the incident. Is it just the one video?
I got
Or do you
the
have more?
picture and the video.
Okay, alrighty, perfect.
The picture is car and headlight, the headlights.
Any sort of evidence that will help.
The guy that was there that called the police the first time and actually saw it happen. And if he hadn't cut her off, she'd have probably caught him.
Yeah, it's a weird situation because at that night, or we didn't know the victim, we didn't know you until yesterday. It's just like a weird situation.
The photo's better because it's not high speed. I mean, clearly, come on, dude.
Yeah. That's what I was telling my corporal. I was like, did you show Losi the video?
Yeah.
Yes.
And he said I didn't witness it, so I was like, doesn't matter. There's the witness right there.
At the bare minimum, a case report should have been done.
My thing is, if I go into a bank with a gun and I don't have the intent to rob it, but you hand me the money anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
It's the same thing, is it not?
It's not the same thing, but it's like it's all the charges. What fits the charge? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We looked
You
at
don't have to see it. We've got evidence that it happened.
Yeah. So our detectives will see it. They're a lot more smart than us. They have a lot more resources. If it fits a charge, that'll be like forwarded. And if district attorney takes it, she'll have a warrant for her arrest. Did they ever get your name yesterday? Okay.
I don't think so.
Yeah,
I am traumatized from that though because when I came home I was shaking.
Yeah. So I'm gonna give you guys a witness statement. Technically, how old are you again?
14.
14. So you'll have to fill it out since he's a juvenile. I would put in there everything that happened, and make it as detailed as possible. I have a continuation form as well.
Okay.
Put in there that it made you like traumatized.
PTSD from it.
Yeah, like as detailed as possible. Maybe it could fit a child abuse charge. I just looked at it, but it's
child endangerment at the minimum.
Well, the child endangerment is kind of like falls under like a child abuse. There's a bunch of different subsections. Yeah.
I just feel like she knows somebody, and this is a bunch of bull crap. That's what it feels like.
No, I think so. The problem is at that time we didn't have a victim because like nobody else called.
Yeah.
So it's just like a suspicious incident or like a verbal disturbance.
Okay.
So that's threw it in a little different.
Yeah. So I mean, even the deputy that first took it, he's a lot more seasoned than I am. So it's if something had to be done, he would have done it.
Well, they went and talked to her. She admitted it.
So she swerved, like she overtook me. She went on the grass and overtook me, almost hitting me. I swerved over onto Pine Lakes, waving someone down, and she got out of her car and told me to come to her. I'm like, no.
Okay.
You just tried to hit me.
Put it, yeah. So that way it's all like documented. Obviously it's going to be in the case report too. But that way, future reference when I'm doing my report, that I can include it in as detailed as possible. If we were to develop a suspect for a crime, would you want to press charges?
Yes.
Okay.
100%.
So if you want to press charges, you're gonna put
We have paperwork to fill out. I need you to come on. No, she wants to know if we can go to her office right over here.
I mean, yeah,
She's
that's
an
fine.
accountant, so she's.
Yeah. All right, that's fine. I'll meet you guys.
Here you go, sir. You take that with you for right now.
Did you sign it?
No, not yet. We'll do it all right there in our own. We're on our way.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Yeah, I'll just follow you guys.
Ball 17.
Here's Mama.
Hey, how's it going? I just gotta explain this paperwork real quick. So like you guys want to press charges if we were to develop a crime, basically. All right, so you're gonna put his name right here. Yep. So this is the witness statement. This is like the meat and potatoes of everything that happened.
Okay.
Like I was telling him, we need to make it as detailed as possible. What you were feeling when it happened, like you were saying you were in fear for your life, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to make sure you put that. Basically, everything that happened. That's it.
Entire body was trembling. I wasn't sure what her intentions were until my parents the next day, and they called to follow up on the police call. I've never had this interaction, and I'm scared to ride my bike at all, and I have not been able to sleep since the incident. They come out. Okay.
Sounds good to me. You just need to raise your right hand. You swear and affirm that everything in the
This one or
statement.
that one? I'm kidding.
You swear and affirm that everything in the statement is true and correct to the best of your knowledge.
Yes.
All right, you can just sign and date and sign and date. Yeah, next time it happens, just do you have a phone?
Yeah.
Yeah, just call 911 right away. Say, hey, like
That's
there's
what
someone
we
following
told
me. No offense, but I hate dealing with juveniles. Both ends of the way.
Yeah.
Especially when they commit a crime, because nothing really happens.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully with the video and there's her driving on sidewalks a charge in itself.
Yeah, it's reckless driving. But the thing is,
Well-
the way my sergeant was explaining it to me, that there has to be a citation with as long if we're going to do an arrest. So it's kind of like if you were driving without a license, you didn't have a license, you can be arrested, or you can have a court appearance. But you have to get the citation either way. And the fact that it's delayed is just you can't really make an arrest right away.
Yeah. So I told him to ask too, what if the situation like the gender was reversed? Say for instance, he's chasing a kid down. He would instantly be arrested, no question asked, with the intent of kidnapping.
I mean, that's
There would
it's
be
just
no
the totality of the
question to ask.
circumstances. It's just
Well,
it's different for each
the way
one.
he made it sound yesterday, the other officer at the house, is it's okay to drive on the sidewalk as long as you don't have a tent, no one sees you.
No, that's just for the assault charge.
But that's what it came off like. Well, if that's the case, I'm driving on the sidewalk right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Traffic is
Everybody's like, let's
Yeah,
go do this.
I talked to my corporal and he explained. So there's like a road rage charge, but like it doesn't really meet it. It's just a whole ordeal, because it has to be in person kind of thing.
Yeah.
Like you have to kind of witness it. Because we do like a bunch of case reports for little stuff. This is more right on the edge of case report and charges. So a detective will definitely be looking at this and by tomorrow, even today, depending on when I finish it. And then they'll kind of go from there because they have a lot more resources and
Well, the video itself, something could be.
that's what I was telling my corporal. I was like, hey, like something needs to be done here. Like
Maybe
we can't just.
we had a kid die at Matanzas High School, recently on a
We have
bicycle.
one die in L section. I mean, there's just too many
Yeah, we have-
accidents
yeah.
for something like this just to go not
Yeah.
looked at.
I would say one thing with that e-bike, just be careful. We deal with a lot of serious crashes between cars and e-bikes. So
Well, for the most part, the only thing he has is when he crosses Pine Lakes to get on the sidewalk. That's it. I mean, once he's on the sidewalk,
yeah,
he shouldn't have to fear for a car chase.
yeah, that was crazy. Yeah,
Last week, golf cart. Well, okay, I can see that, but a car.
Yeah, in the notes it says she didn't like it because I guess they always ride through like the sidewalks and all that. I don't know. She just seems like a very petty person.
Well, we're about to show what pettiness does.
Yeah. So, do you guys have any questions for me? That's not good at all. All right, guys.
Sheriff's office. How we doing? Mr. Ellis?
Yeah.
How you doing, Mr. Ellis? Sergeant Miley at the Sheriff's office. How are you today?
Good.
I guess we had an incident a couple days ago with
Yeah.
your son who was a victim of something that happened. Do you have any other video evidence other than what you provided with Deputy Butler yesterday, just what she took?
Yeah.
All right. Looking at the video, I don't know what happened. My shift wasn't working on this, so I don't know why there was a lack of follow-up or anything like that. So first of all, I apologize for that.
Okay.
All right. Looking at the video, I'm not seeing assault there.
Okay.
Okay. She's far enough away in the video from what we can tell. She's in a vehicle. So if she really wanted to assault or do harm to somebody, she could very easily have sped up. All right. What I'm seeing the most of right now from the video that was provided yesterday is reckless driving. All right. So she's driving on the sidewalk and she's driving crazy, allegedly to confront your son. All right. So what I'm seeing as of right now is what we can do. Like I said, that's why I was asking if there's any other video, is file charges for reckless driving on her. All right.
What about intent to kidnap, child endangerment?
No.
Nothing else.
The other issue I have with the assault aspect, I think we might have been able to pursue that or press it a little bit if we would have been called that night. All right. We have a day lack. So if there was...
You were called by the
But we
witness.
didn't know who the victim was at that
Yeah.
point. So if the victim would have called in that night, we might have been able to stretch the assault.
But
Because
we
there was a
were-
well-found fear that something might have occurred.
But we still called in within a 24-hour period.
If there's a well-found fear that that something was about to occur,
Mm-hmm.
you're going to call the cops immediately.
Yeah.
Not 24 hours later, or however many hours
Yeah.
later. It would have been an immediate. Someone's trying to kill me, someone's trying to hurt me, get the cops here right now.
Yeah.
Then we might have been able to stretch that assault a little bit, all right? Because it was contacted immediately. There was a well-found fear that something was going to occur right then and there.
Yeah.
A couple hours later, a day later, is there really that well-found fear that something would have been able to occur per the statutes, per the elements of the crime? I agree, we should be able to do that.
Yeah.
However, per the statute and the elements of the crime, it's not going to fit that right now.
Okay. Has
All
the
right.
detectives looked at the video and made their accept?
I just looked at the video right now, so that's why I'm here right now.
Yeah.
Because I got a phone call and I'm like, all right, let me go try to see what we can do about
Yeah.
this. So like I said, what I'm seeing at this current juncture is the reckless driving at this point. I looked into possibly child abuse based on the mental effect that it might have on the child. Per the elements of the crime, yet again, there's very specific points in the child neglect or child abuse statute when it comes to a mental injury that we're not going to be able to do on this one either.
Okay.
So, just want to give you a heads up as to what can occur right now.
Excited.
Is we're going to go make contact with the female. She's going to get issued a citation for the reckless driving. She's going to get told that charges are being forwarded to the state on the reckless driving. If the state can come up with some other charges, the state will be able to file those charges. Add on to those.
That's what I said. That's what I want. I want to push it to the far max.
And I don't blame you.
Of the law.
I would too as a parent, so I mean, I get it. But at this current juncture, from the elements in the video that I'm seeing, that's the most I got right now.
Okay.
All right. But I wanted to at least come here, talk to you, see if you guys
I
had any
appreciate
questions, and just let you know what we're doing. Again, I apologize. The original shift that's working, or that worked this case, is not working today. They'll be working tomorrow. So if you want to reach out to that supervisor tomorrow, you're more than welcome to.
But like I said, he's done the most for us.
Yeah.
And he apologized for what's the other one?
Louse or
Louse.
Lucy, yeah.
Yeah.
He's one of the new guys. I don't even know who that is.
He told me
No,
that.
I know him. He's on my shift. I don't know who Losi or whomever is. Come join the party. Come on.
It's too hot.
It is way too hot. I agree. So,
But, I mean, like I said, I mean, whatever the deputies look at, whatever DA looks at, I mean, I just don't want to smack on the wrist and 6 points on our driver's license.
yeah, I agree.
Because, and just like I told him, what if she thinks it's okay, or someone else thinks, well, bike path, I can take a shortcut.
Which is why we're doing the reckless driving, because that's not okay. And again, looking at the video, from what we can tell, when you turn around, there's a large enough gap for where if there's a vehicle and you're driving a vehicle and you intend to do harm, you're going to hit the gas and you're going to do harm.
Yeah.
So she'd be able to catch up. So like if we turned around and she was right where you are right now, 1,000%, I'd take her to jail right now, even if it's so far away.
Yeah, in our report that my mom wrote, we included how she overtook me. She went on the grass, overtook me, and was literally about this close to me.
Do you have a copy of that statement? Because he put that into records yesterday, and I don't have access to it right now.
They know that. Everybody knows that. I wouldn't drive on the sidewalk.
That's why they got a sign posted every.
Are you sure you wouldn't drive on the sidewalk?
I
Come
wouldn't.
on.
Now, if there was a fishing hole, and if I know you weren't around because if you didn't see it, you didn't.
It's only illegal if you get caught. That's true. That is true. My father taught me that at a very young age.
Yeah.
That would have
While he was
definitely would have been the
on
best option if that would have occurred.
Yeah.
But
I was too focused on driving.
6 to 1, half a dozen to another. It's all right. Stuff happens.
Adrenaline kicks in and you're just like, I gotta get home.
Yeah, absolutely,
He's
absolutely.
trying to wave down other cars, trying to get help.
When she cut me off, I swerved onto the street and I waved someone down. I'm like, hey, she just tried to hit me. Help me.
And then the other car blocked it off.
Yes.
Yeah, there was another guy, but
She
he kept
just
going.
almost hit him.
All right, so let me ask you: when she almost hit you, was she turning onto a street?
Just when she entered the bike path, right?
No, she was already on the bike path. She was already on it, and
She
she
sped
went.
it up.
Yeah, she went onto like on the grass section where there's enough room for a car to come by. She overtook me, cut me off, and that's when I got really, really scared because I literally could have died. She was really close to me. Oh, she cut me off twice, by the way. Forgot to say that.
All right, because it says here she kept following me onto Pine Lakes and then tried to cut me off from entering the sidewalk.
Yeah.
So what does that mean?
In an intersection, when she was driving originally on Pine Lakes, but then an intersection came up, she turned into my end of the sidewalk that I'm coming towards her, and almost looked like I could have ran into her. My brakes are not that good right now. I have to get them fixed. That's when she tried to turn in to cut me off, and when I went around her, that's when she got on the bike path. Not even a minute after that, that's when she overtook me on the grass and cut me off again.
I don't understand endangering a child's life, so I just don't yell at him if you want to. You know, whatever, just don't try to run him down on a bike path. There's where she screwed up.
All right, what we're going to do, we just try to call the witness to try to corroborate that side of the story where it came from the fact that she cut him off on the bike path and all that other stuff, all right? Because based on the video evidence I have right now, I don't have that aspect, and I don't have the ag assault.
And then it's hearsay.
Exactly. So we just try to call the witness who called it in. We weren't able to get a hold of him. I'm sending him over to his house right now. If we can corroborate that side of the story, we'll be able to probably do the ag assault aspect of it, okay? As of right now, if I can't make contact with that witness, the most I have right now is the reckless driving, all right?
Okay.
So what we'll do tonight, if we can't make contact with that witness, is at least issue her the citation for the reckless driver and forward the charges on the reckless driving, and we'll continue to follow up to see if we can get that other part of the element for the ag assault.
Okay.
Yeah, he's not rode his bike since.
Yeah.
I mean, he's really torn up, and he loves his bike.
Yeah.
And that's what I fear for him is this could have been so much worse.
Yeah.
They could have. If he
So-
swerved and went into traffic over her.
Or him fall and then she couldn't see because it was not.
Yeah.
Now
Absolutely.
you got hit and run. You got all kinds of stupid stuff.
Over nonsense is what I call it. Nonsense makes me mad.
But I appreciate you.
I
No
do
worries.
appreciate
You have any other questions for me right now?
No.
No.
And you'll be doing another follow up.
We're going to go try to find the witness right now. So,
Okay.
all right.
Okay, but regardless, she'll be charged with reckless.
At least, yep.
right.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Gates.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
I'm with that.
No worries.
Hope for the best, expect the worst.
You get that right.
Let's just get to the point where you were following him.
I was following him, and because I wanted to see where he lived,
Okay.
and but he didn't stop. And then these two people are like yelling stuff at me. I'm like, you don't know what happened.
So, we saw the video. It shows you driving on the sidewalk. Why'd you do that?
And that was stupid. Unfortunately, I didn't really think of it as a sidewalk.
It's
The reason
how?
I-
How is that possible?
Well, I'm not saying I'm
You have
not.
the road and then
I'm not saying I'm not stupid.
sidewalk.
I just got here
sidewalk.
from
I'm not saying you're
Maryland.
stupid either.
But like sidewalks to me are white sidewalks, and I see cars on them, but all I'm going to tell you is it was stupid and ridiculous. That's all I can say. It was just freaking ridiculous that I did that.
So I just have to read you this before I ask you more questions, okay?
Are you arresting me now?
I have to read you your rights before I question you, okay? Because I'm going to ask you incriminating questions. You have the right to remain silent. Oh! Do you mind if you just step out?
Are you arresting me?
Well, I'm not saying that. We just have to talk, okay? Your dog's scaring me. I was when I was knocking on the door before. He was. Oh, hey, buddy.
Hi. Are you okay to come in now?
I'd rather be outside. Yeah.
Are you arresting me? Yes.
I'm not saying that. I have to talk to you first, okay? To get your side of the story.
Before you arrest me?
I'm not saying that. So what happened on? Was it Saturday on the 7th?
I think so.
So give me your side of the story first.
Okay. I already went all over this with that other guy.
Okay. Are you willing to talk to me?
Yes.
Okay. When you were following him, did you ever get close to him?
I don't think so. No, I couldn't catch up with him.
So you were trying to catch up to him?
Enough that I could talk to him, yeah. To
Okay.
tell him what I was
So if
doing.
he's speeding away and you're continuing to follow him, why would you keep on following? I just
That was stupid. That was
Okay.
stupid.
Before you started following him?
Yeah, before I started following?
Or before you went on the sidewalk? Because that's the story I got. That right before you hopped on the sidewalk, or maybe as soon as it happened, you kind of like try to cut him off.
I tried to come around. I didn't try to cut him off.
So you try to go around him, you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay. And what was your goal to going
To
around
talk to
him?
him.
Okay.
My
How fast were you
only
going?
thing,
When you
not
were
as fast as he was. I don't know.
Okay, so you were trying to catch up to him even though he's going pretty fast on a sidewalk with a bike, okay?
Okay.
You understand where we're coming from here?
I do.
Because it's ridiculous. I'm going to be honest with you.
I feel that way too. And I can't disagree with you. It is ridiculous.
Mm-hmm. So your main goal was to just try to talk to him? That's it? 'Cause
Absolutely.
I'm just going to tell you what it seems like for me. It seems like this was an anger kind of like driven thing. Is that true or not?
I was angry, but I just wanted to talk to him and tell him, I would have spoken. Even I got out of the car and I was like, I even said to him, will you talk to me? And he said no, and he just, kept going. I mean,
So why
what
would you
else?
keep on following him after that? If he doesn't want to talk to you,
That was stupid.
okay? You get
Oh,
where
I
you're
wanted to
looking-
see where he lived to tell his mother.
Okay. So you started following on the sidewalk. That's the main problem here. Okay.
I gotcha.
And
That
what
was
happened
dumb.
once the other couple or whatever, they blocked you off from? Were you trying to keep on following them after they blocked you
I was
off?
trying to get away from them. I don't know what they're going to do.
Okay. All right. Well, I think they were just trying to help the guy on the bike out because from their angle it doesn't look good. You know what I mean?
Right. I
Right.
understand.
All right. So,
And I'm not disagreeing with you or arguing with you
Yeah.
or anything. I mean, when I thought about it when I got home, I was like, I was still, upset over being afraid that I was going to, not be able to walk and hit the dog. And then after I could stop and think about it, I was like, dumb. That was ridiculous. Like you said, it was ridiculous. And it's okay. And don't let that happen again. Don't ever,
mm-hmm. Yeah, and you probably didn't know at the time, but he's a juvenile. He's 14 years old.
Oh, you found him?
Yeah, that's the reason why we're here. It's because
okay.
I'm gonna be honest. They want to press charges, so we have to get your side of the story and all the totality of the circumstances. Okay. I also went to the witness's house. He recorded you following on the bike path, and it shows you kind of not speeding up, but continuing keeping a main like a 20-foot distance. I would say. He said it was around 6 or 10 feet. What would you estimate the distance to be that you were following him?
Maybe 2 car lengths.
Okay.
I don't know what yard. I'm not good with yards.
Oh yeah, you're good. You don't have to do that. So I'm gonna be honest with you. Based on what we have now, I'm gonna be making an arrest on aggravated assault and the reckless driving too. Based on everything that I have. Okay. So I'm gonna need you to turn around for me.
I gotta.
And we'll do that. We'll do all that after.
My mother.
Okay?
Oh,
We'll do all that
don't do
after.
this.
Okay.
Please, in
Put
front
your
of
hands
my
on your
neighbor.
back.
Is my door
Here,
open?
we can go in the door for you. Yep, that's fine. I'll give you that respect.
Can I get my purse?
Yep, we'll get you
have to
your
put me in
ID. All that.
handcuffs?
I have to. It's per policy. Just turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back like you're praying. All right. You want to turn the lights on? Do you have anyone that can watch the dog?
Yeah.
Alright.
What happens when I go to jail? Can I look at my purse and see it? I don't
Yeah, sure. And this, like I said, this doesn't make you a bad person. You just made some bad decisions, right?
Well, I feel like a
Okay.
bad person.
No, you're not a bad person. You just made bad decisions, all right?
Does he fit the vet?
You go out. I got him.
Oh, okay.
Can we put him in a room real quick? Or oh, come on, Finn.
There's a leash.
Watch her.
He's a very, very nervous dog.
Finn. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Finn. Good boy. It's okay, Finn.
I'm just gonna have you hang out right back here. When the deputy comes out, he just has to give you your pockets a pat down just to make sure you don't have anything on you, okay?
How did you find the boy?
I'm not sure. I'm coming in on night shift. He's been working the day shift. She's okay.
I don't know what to do.
I'm gonna put her on the other side.
Yeah, here, come around on the other side, man.
I can't.
I don't know what to do.
How do I make this tighter?
Here, that thing right there. I don't think I'm very good at it either. That's right.
Come on, Finn.
Come on.
Come on.
Okay, baby.
Come on, Finn.
Here,
Let's just walk back to the
yeah, we'll
house.
walk you back to the house. He's gonna follow. He's not gonna listen to us.
We're gonna need to put the leash somewhere.
Hey,
Finn, no. Okay. Okay. Inside. Inside. Inside.
come on,
Come on.
Alright, let's get you in the car.
Okay. Just check one of the front doors unlocked, okay?
Front door's unlocked.
Oh, okay.
The dog's just gonna be a runner, so make sure he's got a leash on right now.
I know where it's at. Yeah, you had a leash on me.
Yeah.
Thank you, Gil.
Man, I've never had to deal with a dog like that.
Seems like a sweet dog. Just
I'm gonna roll down the
Yes.
windows too. No. Finn, no. Finn, what's out here? Look. Finn! Finn! Come on. Come on, inside. God. Are we gonna need to get animal control?
Hope not.
she's okay.
Come on, Finn.
Come on.
Come on.
Okay, baby.
Come on, Finn.
Here,
Let's just walk back to the
yeah,
house.
we'll walk you back to the house. He's gonna follow. He's not gonna listen to us.
Inside. Inside.
Come on.
Come on.
Alright, let's get you in the car.
Thank you, Gil.
Man, I've never had to deal with a dog like that.
Seems like a sweet dog. Just
I'm gonna roll down the windows too.
Yulia Kaltov faced charges of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill and reckless driving. Additionally, she received a traffic citation for operating a vehicle on a pedestrian walkway. She was later released after posting a $3,000 bond.